Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at BlueJeans, which is an amazing video conferencing software that you can use to run your business from anywhere in the world, or if you have a team around the world, then it's going to allow you to do this absolutely securely and without any problems. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So guys, jumping across to BlueJeans.com, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after the video if you want the very best deal through the link we have here. Production grade live streaming. Amaze your audience with a TV quality virtual event. Now, if you, like me, are a YouTuber or you have other events and things that you want to share around the world, then you need a high quality, top-notch software that's going to allow you to do this seamlessly. It allows you to create outrageously engaging video experiences, allowing you to run your business at ultra high speeds, allowing you to do things like meetings with the rest of your team, webinars and events for customers, and so many more. You can see that it's enjoyed by people like Adobe, Red Hat, Standard Chartered Bank, and so many others. Raise your game with BlueJeans, Dolby voice and spatial audio, ensuring the very best recording quality, intelligent video, brilliant HD video brought to life with the power of artificial intelligence and computer vision. And you can see on the right hand side, this is kind of what you can expect to see from this particular software. It's allowing you to work from anywhere. As I've mentioned, this is something that is very exciting and starting to change the way that we live. And if you want to find out more about ways to make money online and software that might be able to help you do it so that you can travel the world and do the same, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can do that. You can see that they have a 95% trust score with tons of excellent reviews and awards from some of the leading companies and stuff in the space. We're different and that's good. The future of workspace productivity is a hybrid, from office work to working from home or remote working, etc. Well, there's lots of different blogs and reviews here. You've got ones like 5 reasons why your business needs to live stream, and it's all about being able to reach a huge audience, obviously around the world. We've got people who may well be interested in our products who might not be able to access them through coming to a store, because maybe you don't have walk-in stores in every part of the world, but this is a really cool way to meet your audience and build rapport with people in all sorts of different countries. It can introduce you to the real world, letting people link up from all sorts of different places. You can engage with existing customers, position yourself as an expert, whether that be in something like YouTube, whether that be in trading or anything, guys. This is an excellent way that you can reach tons more people and engage more with your followers. This will allow you to increase the engagement and your social media following, which ultimately will see itself returned as more dollars in your pocket. You can expand your event audiences to viewers worldwide, which means that even if you don't live in a location where you get to access things like crypto events and tons of other stuff, you can still access them through a digital platform, and that's very, very cool. So in terms of the products and things they offer things like virtual meetings, webinars and event streaming, connected rooms, gateways for Microsoft Teams, as well as telehealth and much more. If you come over to pricing, we can see that there's different ones for obviously different things. Personally, I am interested in things like webinars and events, so I'm just going to click on that and we'll take a look at some of the pricing structures. Now you can see that these are the different prices. This is billed annually. If I click across to monthly, it's going to be slightly more expensive, but obviously I won't have to pay such a large amount up front. Coming down below on the BlueJeans video webinar events, I can see down below what I can access. I can have up to 500 attendee plans. Now that is really, really cool, because previously using things like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, etc. doesn't give me that kind of reach. It allows me to have people register to attend and so many other things like 1080p streaming quality. All of these things which look amazing. Online support also essential, so that when you're in the middle of a webinar and something goes wrong, you've got someone who can come and help you out when you're under pressure to get something out the door. You can see on the right hand side, you've also got large scale video events which can go up to 150,000 people. So obviously if you've got an incredibly large following, then all of your fans, etc. can access you through a view only attendee webinar, which is really, really cool. This will also give you a dedicated account manager, as well as tons of other different features on the platform. Now, what's cool in terms of the resources, you can see there's lots of different app networks, there's content libraries, so you can get some ideas on how you might be able to live stream to your audience, and various other bits and pieces. You can come over and you can see the support, where you've got product support, live training, video tutorials, and much, much more, which will enable you to perform at the very best level. Now, if you click on the link down below in the description, it's going to bring you across to this page, and you can see that you can join now through this link here, and it's going to give you some benefits, guys, like joining the program. You can share the link, and you can also get rewards. So if you've got a group of other people who might be interested in this kind of software, then you can offset the cost of yours by linking up to other people who would be interested. You'll then earn a 50% revenue share when a customer purchases an annual plan. So remember, some of those annual plans could be in the multiple hundreds of dollars, and if you're earning 50% of that, it's an absolute no-brainer, guys, which is really cool. And obviously, if they're on a monthly plan, each month when they're getting a recurring sale of like $55 or like $100 and you're getting 50% of that, if you have hundreds of people doing the same through that link, then it's a really great way to be earning a passive income once you've got them through the door. So in summary, guys, BlueJeans by Verizon is a top-notch, ultra-secure way that you can have online meetings. You can host webinars for up to 150,000 people, and you can do much, much more. There's dedicated support teams, multiple different options, whether you want to go monthly or yearly. There's going to be a package that's suitable for you. You can also join the affiliate program and earn a passive income by referring other people to this particular website. All of it can be found linked down below in the description. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, please smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps us get this content out to more people around the world who need it. As well as that, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn about amazing digital products that can help you with your online business, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.